In today's video, we are going to understand what automated emails are in Salesforce CRM. We are also going to understand how we use them and what are the process of creating an automated emails step by step. Welcome to Fingertip Technologies. My name is Saurav. Just before we get into the video, if your business needs any assistance with Salesforce consultation and implementation, please check out our website below. We help businesses all around the world with Salesforce CRM consultation and implementation. So, without further delay, let's get straight into the video. Automated emails in Salesforce mean emails that are sent automatically when a specific action happens without any manual effort. In simple words, when something happens in Salesforce, like a record being created, updated, or its status changing, Salesforce automatically sends an email to the required person. There is no need for a user to manually send the emails every time. Some common actions that trigger automated emails include when a record is created, when a record is updated, when the status changes, or when time-based actions are required, such as sending reminder emails to customers. Now let's understand why automated emails are important. They save a lot of time, remove the need for manual follow-ups, improve customer communication, and reduce human errors. Because of these benefits, automated emails are very useful in sales and support processes. In Salesforce, there are multiple ways to send automated emails, such as using workflow rules, process builder, flows, auto-response rules, and approval processes. However, nowadays, flows are the most commonly used and recommended method. Let's understand this with a real example. Suppose I want to send a welcome email automatically whenever a new lead is created. For example, when a new lead is added to the lead object, the customer should receive a basic welcome email. To do this, the first step is to create an email template. Go to the setup and search for email templates. Salesforce provides classic email templates and lightning email templates. For this example, we will use classic email templates. Click on New, choose the template type as text and click Next. Select the folder where you want to store the template. Make sure it is available for use. And then give the template a name, such as Send Email to Lead. The template unique name will be generated automatically. You can add a subject like Thank you for your inquiry and then write the email body. Once done, save the template. Next, we need to create an email alert. Go to Setup, search for Email Alerts and click New Email Alert. Give it a description such as Thank you for your inquiry about our product. Select the object as lead, then choose the email template we just created. This could be the lead's email field, record owner, users, roles, or public groups. In this case, we select the email field so the customer receives the email. If required, you can also add CC email address. Then save the email alert. Now comes the automation part. Go to Setup and open Flows. Click on New Flow and select Record Triggered Flow. Since we want the email to be sent when a lead is created or updated, choose the lead object and set the trigger condition as a record is created or updated. You can also add conditions such as lead source equals web, but for now, we will not add any conditions. Next, add an action called Send Email Alert. Select the email alert we created earlier, give the action a name, and pass the lead record ID so Salesforce knows which record the email belongs to. Save the flow, give it a proper name, and activate it. Finally, let's test the flow. Go to the lead object and create a new lead by entering basic details like name, company, lead source, and email address. Once the lead is saved, the automated email is sent immediately. If the record is updated again, the email is triggered again based on our flow settings. This confirms that the automated email flow is working correctly. This is how automated emails work in Salesforce and how they help businesses communicate efficiently without manual effort. I hope this video has clearly explained all the points related to email automation and how you can create one inside of Salesforce CRM. If you found this video informative and useful, please give it a like and possibly even subscribing. If you have any further questions or any suggestions, please comment on this video and we will be very happy to answer it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.